In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a very simple and healthy food from Ghana. This is one of the simplest and the easiest food that you can find in Ghana, but trust me, it is very healthy. It is very popular in the Ashanti region and also enjoyed a lot by the Ashantis. So this is a very special meal enjoyed during ceremonies like birthdays, puberty rites, weddings, and name it. And it is given to twins on their day of birth or so day, which is known as krada in the Akan language. Etor is given to the brides on their wedding day to help them stay longer without going hungry. So this means that the little you eat, you can stay like the whole day without eating, just like eating egg. Okay, so this is prepared using sweet potatoes, cocoyam, yam, plantains, or any tuber of your choice. You can use it for this, and it is so nice and delicious. So that is what we are making today. Hello, nice to meet you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my channel. So now I'm done peeling my plantains. Okay, I'll just add some eggs, pepper, add some water, put these ingredients into a boil, then I will get back to you. So after I'm done boiling these ingredients, I'll go ahead and remove my pepper, add some chopped onions, go ahead and blend it. I'm very sure someone will ask me in the comment section, can I please blend this? No, please. You can't blend it. You can use your potato masher to mash this instead. Okay, if you don't have the everywhere and the tapoli. Okay, yes, so that is what I'm doing. I've added my plantains and I'll go ahead and grind it with the grinder and the anyway. After that, I'll go ahead and add my homemade peanut butter, then mix it very well. If you add peanut butter to this, oh my goodness, it takes it from 0 to 100. You can actually substitute this with any nut of your choice. Okay, if you don't like peanuts or granite, please, it is not by force. Okay, thank you very much. I'll go ahead and add some palm oil to it. So the palm oil, I added some chopped onions, place it on fire for some time, and that is what I'm adding. I'll make sure I mix it very well. Let me tell you a story about Eto. I told my husband I will say this today. So when I saw him and we were boyfriend girlfriend, I saw him one day in front of Confanochi Teaching Hospital. You know, that is where we were working. Okay, so I saw him once and he was buying a top. There's this woman who sells a top in front of Confanochi Teaching Hospital. So he was buying something and I was like, hey, fine boy, pan or a toy. Initially, I thought Eto is for like the aged. So I was feeling shy to call him or get close to him. So when he came back home, I was like, Joy, say planana or teta obe freda. When you see your boyfriend buying a top, will you get close to your boyfriend or will you call your boyfriend or your girlfriend and say, why did you see me today buying a top? I didn't mention your name, please. I didn't mention your name, but I was feeling shy to get close to you because you're buying a top. Said, so the for me there can you come close? I said, no. I thought say, let me say, join me who was na what you will pay for the account. Nothing like come in Japan. When we tie ever pen account. I was like, what you can't see? I said, if once some females. So when you are done, you add some peanuts with some avocados. You add your tilapia and you eat, or you can just eat it like that. Okay, it is so good. It is simple, but it is so good, trust me. So I added some beans, avocados, scallions, onions, eggs, salted tilapia. Oh my goodness, and it was good. Thank you very much for watching, and please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.